Hi everyone, this is Jason from the Sinocastel, and we are the first OBD GPS tracker manufacturer in China since 2007. Today, I would like to introduce our newest ELD device. Next, I would like to introduce how to configure our device. Now, first, you have to prepare a Windows 7 or 10 laptop. Second, find an Android mobile phone USB cable. Third, our device has the USB port. Connect it, and this one connects the laptop USB port. Then I would like to introduce how to configure our device now. First, please contact Sinocastel technical support, and we will give you the device drive file. After you install the drive file, you can see will display the USB COM port. This laptop, its COM port is the COM5. Second, we have the device configuration tool. It names the PC2. You install it and open it. There you can choose the language for English. You can set the Bluetooth. For the Bluetooth upload report interview time, you can set it 3 seconds. For others, there has the device work mode. Choose the correct work mode and setting it. The PC2 will replay setting successfully. Network, you can choose the domain, IP, port, APN to set your SIM card and the platform. Now we have finished the ELD device setting. Let us do the testing now. Now I show you how to connect the power cable with the device. This pin connect the host, this port. The 6-pin OBD port connect the car. Now you can see the device 3 LED lights states. The green means GPS works very well. The blue, it means the OBD is reading. The red is the device power light. Now the blue light is solid on. It means the OBD reading very well. Now I show you our ELD device BLE reading. Open our Android BLE app. Scan the device. Now find the device, connect it, send our request command. You can see, and the device have uploading the passenger car date.